guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW F10 F11. This is the 5 series generation BMW from year 2010 to year 2018. If you want to see how to program seat module, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Sometimes they do go bad when that happens. Often the seat will not be able to move back and forward guys. It may not work, or if it has heated, ventilated, massaging seats, then it may not work as well. So stay with us, we'll explain how to do that step by step in this video today. So before we guys continue, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to take it completely apart and make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos and show you how to fix pretty much anything from transmissions, engines to interior bodywork, fuses, relays, also engine codes, transmission codes, all that stuff. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video guys. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hopefully they will be helpful. Please subscribe. So guys, what we did here, we actually replaced the module because ours, the seat, quit working. And as a result, okay, we have to program it. By the way guys, if you want to see how to retrofit ventilated, massaging and heated seats on BMW F10 F11, the video will be on the channel. Please check it out for any of you needing help with that. So let's go ahead and explain exactly how to do that now. What we need to do guys, okay, we're going to connect our Pro 2 adapter here to the OBD port, and it's pretty simple, right? Okay, you go to the OBD port, plug it in, you will see lights blinking. Let me get the hot module out of the way, and we want to show you now what we need to do. You gotta make sure that the car battery is charged. Okay, always make sure that it's charged. It needs to be over 12 volts for sure, otherwise you may end up having problems. Close the door too guys. Don't start the car, then turn the ignition switch on. Make sure the lights are off and things like that, so you don't actually guys drain the battery even more. Next we need to open the app, which is the Pro 2 guys. Okay, this is the Pro 2 app. All we have to do, click connect. So now let's explain what we need to do. I want to see which one's better, with light, without light. I think with light it might be better. Here we're going to select the seat that we need. For our case it's the driver's seat, right? We click driver's seat. Then you go to coding. And when you go to coding, you can inject the CAFT. Okay, you can inject CAFT if you want. Okay, it's used when it has become corrupted. Use this function only if you have good reason to, you know what you are doing, it's recommended service. But the best way to do it, you go to factory code. And when you do factory coding, we'll return this ECU to its stock settings based on your VIN and vehicle order. Now, do you want to create a backup? We'll create a backup. Okay, it's recording data now. Calculating data. Check this thing out. Coding started. Coding active. Finishing up. What it will do next. Clearing vehicle's errors. Okay, it will take a little bit. It says coding finalized. Please cycle your ignition. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Do not press the brake paddle. It's okay. I can exit here that program now, and here, okay, I'm going to go ahead, turn the car off. First I want to see if the seat works. Okay, the seat. Okay, it moves. Perfect, amazing. And then, okay, the memory buttons, I want to test them too. Yep, perfect, works. I'm going to turn ignition on again, and I want to go ahead, okay, and we want to check again to see if there is any codes in that driver seat module now, to make sure that it accepted everything. And here we go to the driver's seat, read codes, no errors found, and if you go to see, guys, everything looks amazing. So that's how you program the seat module. Programming the seat module on BMW F10 F11, it's not complicated at all, guys. For instance, okay, we will have many videos how to code things, but you can go ahead and see. Right now the car is off, but you will be able to see, okay, your temperature and pressure in the tire pressure monitor. That's something I really enjoy as well. You can add sport displays. You can do multiple things. You can control your windows with a remote control, not just to let them down, but you can pull them up too. Another thing that you can do, make the mirrors to actually fold with the remote control too, which is very convenient too, guys. But yeah, that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.